They're going to be so fucking tender there.
That's crazy how to do a piston ring out of it, too.
These are how detailed. They're going to go for you. Why did they take them out?
They said they can come out now, or if you want to wait a couple of days, take them out.
Oh, you took your stitches out?
You said,
How bad are they?
Just wet yourself. They hurt like a fuck.
Oh, you can't really see them.
Yeah, you can't take.
Yeah, the little band-aids off them.
Yeah.
Hey, it's clean looking how it's still healing up, though.
Like I said, it's going to take
When I put pressure on it, like a fucking steering wheel, I feel like I cut it all over again.
It's because it's hard, it's dry inside.
Yeah, that's what she said.
I wonder why the motherfucker won't crank. Ah, that's the piston hanging on the crank. Big fucking hole. That's what happens when assholes don't know how to fucking stop when a motor wraps.
Yeah, what's that noise? Let me just keep going. We'll be alright, we'll make it. Now it's going to cost me twice as much. So he said go ahead, huh?
Yeah, it's a done deal. Go ahead and do it.
Fix my fucking phone. So I can break it again tomorrow. Sorry, Tom.
Sorry.
Like when I was cord boy from the dealer, you know?
Yeah?
And I had that long ass cord on the sideline.
Yeah.
And
You really did that?
yeah, I got the tape, man.
Dude, that's fucking money, huh?
I got it, man. I was next to Cal the whole game.
I'm like trying to get it back around the cowl here, around the hood or whatever. I'm pulling the whole plastic piece with it, you know? The little hose is connected to it. I'm like, oh, I could lay it right here. And I realized, she was like, oh, I was trying to show the camera, like, oh, you could just easily walk it. I was like, whoa, I fell backwards. Dude, they got broke, man.
You think you got a deep socket to put over this shaft?
That's pretty damn deep.
You know what that is? That's an anal plug.
That's rough. Those Mac ones are pretty deep, but I don't know.
I doubt it. Ain't no fucking way it can't even go over the shaft.
Yeah, you need a regular wrench to get in there. No, I'm just kidding. Just let me do a video of them. What did you find out if you found out this engine was locked?
That motor's locked.
Especially after you switched just about everything off of this one.
I went that on the cord. But he did come. Yeah, I had a break.
He had to what, break it loose?
Yeah. I missed the wrench.
Was it 15, 16, 23, 24? Turn.
Turn.
I got one. Well, I didn't get a picture, but I got a little video walking around of your mess. I really wish I'd have had,
Here you go. Bring your camera here. We'll make a video of fuck Snap-on. Easy red. You got voice on it?
Yeah, there's voice on it.
Fuck Snap-on. Easy red. Baddest fucking wrench ever. You'll never get a Snap-on wrench down in like this and be able to fucking wrench something down. Snap-on can bite my ass.
They're gonna just love you, man.
What Snap-on wrench you know go around the throttle body with no problem?
Hey, for as long as that is, and you're getting some pretty good turns out of it too.
Oh hell yeah.
Because of that angle head on it.
These things like I like.
Come on, man. Yeah, I wish I'd have cut all your mess though last week that you had everywhere from switching all the motors around and all the shit you had going on from taking it out. You had shit everywhere. Just loving it. I was like, man. Yep. What do you think? By lunchtime you have a fire? No, maybe about 4 o'clock, huh?
Fire.
You putting the front end on first, or you gonna fire it first?
I'll do the whole top, front end, everything will be in before it, before I get it up on the rack to the bottom.
That's cool. Let's see how it looks at the end. Getting closer, huh, Keith?
Trying to.
Getting closer. You still got to put a whole front end on.
Oh, that's front end on no time off. Imagine a half-hour wheel put it up in the air to do the bottom end.
You got some spillage going on. Uh-oh. Better get some kitty litter out.
On my stupid clean floor. Good.
All together in one day. I said all together in one day.
Randy, making another lame video.
Yeah, I'm making another lame video just for you, Tom. When you go under, you gotta post it. Lame. I want to see it real big underneath the. And I'll piece this all together. It'll be out in like 2-3 weeks, maybe.
Did you post that other one where I said, are you going to make a lame video, or does anybody watch your lame videos? Did you post that one yet?
No, I don't know if I was recording when you said that. Or was I?
Yeah.
What was I recording? This one?
Yeah, we were recording that.
I can't remember.
I said, does anybody watch your lame videos? Remember?
Yeah, I don't know. It's probably in one of them I missed it then. Or it's in one I didn't make. Crank it, crank it, crank it.
I can hear shit coming out of exhaust.
We're cracked.
Did y'all still work?
Should.
You ain't ground it out no more. Yeah, they're still working. Fire away!
Got the fuel, got the spark.
Your finger's damn near off, huh?
Okay, good.
Try it again.
Hold down?
Yeah.
What'd you do?
Kept cranking it, kept cranking it, kept cranking it.
Dude, go look at the smoke from that car.
Okay. We'll clear some of that up. It's his first time starting up. I think you'll be